Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to add a new domain on your cPanel. So let's get started. First, I want to check the domain status. The domain is live or not. Here you can see the domain is not live. To add a new domain, first I need to change the domain name servers according to the hosting name servers. It's not required to change name servers if domain register and hosting providers are same. Click on services and click on manage of your selected hosting. Scroll down and you will find the name servers. Copy the name servers from here. Now open your domain management portal and click on my products. Now click on DNS to open DNS management portal and click on name servers. Now click on change name servers and paste one by one here. After changing the name servers successfully, open your cPanel. Scroll down and click on domains. Now create a new domain. Now enter the domain name. Uncheck the box to create this domain directory outside of the root directory. The domain added successfully. Now go back to our home page and click on File Manager to check the directory of our new domain. Here you will see the directory under my new domain name. Now check again my domain status and you can see it's live now. If you face any problem, you can contact your hosting provider or your domain register. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.